Okay, brother, drop me here.
Okay. Madam, you pay by cash or card?
Card, brother.
Okay. Sorry, madam, my card machine is offline. Maybe you can pay cash. Give me
Okay,
your cash.
give me change.
Oh, madam, this is 500. You don't have
I don't-
other amount?
I don't have smaller
I
bills,
have only
brother.
13 dirhams here.
Oh, what to do now,
You're
brother?
from groceries, yeah?
Yes.
What do you have there in groceries?
I have peanut butter, cheese spread, and some canned goods.
Canned goods.
Yes.
Anything else?
And milk. I have milk.
That milk is okay. Let me see. Take this one. I don't like this. Milk? How much the milk?
17 dirhams,
I
brother.
will take this one.
But it's 17 dirhams. My bill is 15 only.
No problem. Don't cry. I'll give you. See? I have 2 dirhams here.
Okay. That will do.
It's for you.
Okay, brother.
go.
Okay. Thank you, brother.
Bye-bye. Next
Bye-bye.
time.
Yes, yes.